Hello, today we will study about plant morphology. Plant morphology for NEET exam. Now these are the very short notes. ठीक है, बहुत ही shortest notes हैं and everything in these notes we have to remember. So first we will study about the shoot system. Shoot मतलब upper portion जो हमको दिखता है plant का. Now the stem. Stem general features क्या है? You all know it develops from the plumule, bears, leaves, branches, buds, flowers. इसमें nodes and internodes भी दिखने को मिलता है. Negatively geotropic means it does not run towards the center of the earth. Root जैसे अंदर जाता है soil के अंदर, ये वैसे ही ऊपर उठता है. Fine. So it is negatively geotropic. Conducts water and food. Example: mango tree, rose plant. Rose is a plant, mango is a tree. Now there are certain modification to the stem. First modification, underground stem. Now the stem, in some plants we have the stem inside the soil, that is under the ground. So उसमें क्यों होता है stem under the ground होने से उसको features क्या होता है? Storage और perennation. Perennation mean aeration. Fine. So that storage of the food, that underground stem जिसमें देखने को मिलता है, that forms the food there. Okay. For example, you have tubers, potato tubers. Okay. Now which contains eyes, which are axillary buds. Now these are the points for the NEET. Rhizome ginger. We all know rhizome आएगा मतलब आँख बंद करके ginger turmeric. Corn जमीन कंद Amorphophallus. कोलोकैसिया. ओके, ओडिया में सारू बोलते हैं उसको कोलोकैसिया. सो बल्ब किसका दिखने को मिलता है? ओनियन बल्ब्स एंड गार्लिक बल्ब्स. फाइन. नाउ द सेकंड मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ द स्टेम इज नोन एज योर सब एरियल स्टेम. सब एरियल मतलब वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन देखने को मिलता है यहाँ पर. सब एरियल. नाउ दिस इज द सैंड और दिस इज द लैंड. लैंड के ऊपर. ओके, जस्ट अबव द लैंड द स्टेम लाइज. सो दैट इज सब एरियल स्टेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स आर योर रनर में ग्रासेस, ऑक्जेलिस, क्रीपिंग स्टेम्स जो होता है, एंड स्टोलॉन, मिंट, जैस्मिन, ऑफसेट्स, योर इकॉर्निया, वाटर हाइसेंथ, एक्वाटिक शूट, इंटरनोड्स होता है उसमें. फाइन. नाउ सकर्स आर योर बनाना, पाइनएप्पल, क्रिजेंथेमम. फाइन. एरियल स्टेम होता है. एरियल स्टेम कंप्लीटली ऊपर, नॉर्मल जो होता है कंप्लीटली ऊपर स्टेम. क्लाइंबिंग और फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए ऊपर होता है स्टेम. नाउ एग्जांपल्स हियर स्टेम टेंड्रिल्स. स्टेम टेंड्रिल्स मतलब जो क्लाइंबर्स होता है, क्यूकुबिटेसी, कुकुम्बर, pumpkins, watermelon, all these are climbers. Okay, grapes. Now they have the stem is slender and it is coiled also. Fine. देखे हो ना जो ऐसे climbers होता है. Now stem thorns like your bougainvillea plant. It is woody, it is straight and also pointed. Citrus and bougainvillea examples. Phylloclite. Now इसमें समझाने वाला कुछ चीज़ है नहीं. You have to remember these examples. You have to either do or die. Phylloclite, Opuntia, flattened stem. Euphorbia, you have cylindrical stem. And this is Cladode, is Aspergus, Ruscus, जिसमें भी लिमिटेड ग्रोथ होता है. फाइन. Now coming to the root system. Shoot system, it developed from the plumule. Root developed from the radicle as a descending part of the plant axis. जो हमको देखने को नहीं मिलता है, that is the root. Fine. Usually underground, non-green, and it is positively geotropic. Stem is negatively geotropic. Negatively phototropic. Photo means light. ज़मीन के अंदर रहेगा तो it is not positively phototropic. It is negatively phototropic. You can add one more point there. It is positively phototropic because it is usually lies above the ground and it receives the sunlight. So it does not have any node or internode. Now root cap protects the apex. Root hairs, they absorb the water and minerals from the soil and transport it to the stem and upper part of the plant. Examples, your mustard, taproot system, wheat, fibrous root system. Okay, now types of root system. Taproot system means primary root persist, secondary and tertiary roots present, found in dicotyledonous plants. Examples, your mustard and peas. Now see the example of this taproot system. This is the main root and these are your auxiliary roots or the branches, small branches. The single main trunk of the root is known as your taproot system along with all branches. Now the second type of root is your fibrous root system. Now this primary root is short-lived. Many roots arise in the cluster found in the monocots. Example is like this: hair-like or grass-like structure, fibrous roots, fibers-like root. Now it is specially present in your grasses like your wheat or rice. Fine. Now there are certain modification to the roots. Another type of root system is there adventitious roots. Adventitious roots के अंदर तुम्हारा prop roots भी आता है. Fine. Adventitious roots are the roots that arise from any other part of the plant except the radicle. Okay. Now in case of your banyan tree, you have seen the banyan tree, how the roots arise from the branches of the tree and then they embed into the soil. Now these type of roots are known as your prop roots. See, they provide support. Main function of these roots are to provide support and anchorage to the trees because these trees are very much big and heavier. So to provide anchorage and support to the trees, they have this type of modification of roots, prop root system. Example is your banyan tree. Adventitious roots का example है grasses or monstera type of grasses and banyan tree. Fine. Now we have another modification here, pneumatophores. Pneuma means what? Air. So air मतलब क्या? Respiration. सांस लेने के लिए चाहिए होता है. So these pneumatophores means they are the respiratory roots. So these roots are present in your mangroves. And why they are present in mangroves? Because the soil is very much marsh and dampy and their respiration to collect the oxygen from the air or to collect the carbon dioxide from the air is very difficult for the roots. So they have modification of the roots as pneumatophores that arise from above the soil and they help in the respiration of the plants. Okay, example your pneumatophores का क्या है? Mangroves. Largest mangrove in India is in Sundarbans.